What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the motherfucking channel. Thank you guys so much for being here with me today. So I'm on a roll, and like I told you guys, I'm back for the rest of the year. I'm not disappearing again, and I thought we would do another set of Valentine's nails. And I have a kit I think would be perfect for the occasion. I have had it for like, I don't know, a month, maybe a little bit more, but it's a newer kit. It's by SXC Cosmetics. This is SXC Cosmetics' new Lazygirl series, and I'm so excited to try this out. Like, isn't this box freaking adorable? Like, it's just this big pink box with unicorns all over it, and I thought it would be perfect for another Valentine's set. So without further ado, if you would like to chit chat, hang out with me, see what's inside this box, do some Lazygirl nails, aka Femi Beauty Method nails, then just keep watching. Mwah. Bye! So let's just jump right into this Lazygirl series kit. I love that SXC Cosmetics did this. You know, a lot of us like the Lazygirl method, and this is just so cool and convenient. Here are the directions. They're super detailed, perfect for any beginner. I'm not going to read them, but you guys can pause if you want to see what it says. We get a nail lamp. I think it's 40 watt. It has a 10, 30, 60, and 90 second timer on it. It automatically turns on when you stick your hand in, or you can press the buttons to turn it on, whatever you want. It didn't come with the little bottom plate. I saw that other kits got the bottom plate that usually comes on nail lamps, but it didn't come on mine, which is, it's whatever. I'm not mad about it. Now we're going to get into the rest of the contents of this box, which is a little sticker. It's so cute. It's the little things. And then of course we have the full cover nails that come in this, and I'm just so happy that they did this. They have a ballerina style, or coffin as most of us call it, and stiletto. I want to say there's like 7 of each sizes of each shape. So there's like quite a bit that comes. You can obviously do a couple sets with this. I love these. They are plastic, which I totally don't mind at all, and I'll let you know why later in the video, that I actually prefer plastic when I'm doing this method versus full cover gel nails. Yeah, but they were super sturdy. The length was so cute. I love the apex of it, the curve, just everything about them worked really, really nicely. So we're going to get into the decorations. We get some gold and silver nail foil. We get these little dual forms that we don't use anymore. We get a 180 grit nail file. And then we get some really cute glitters. There's like some chunky glitters, some rhinestones. I absolutely love these rhinestones. These are the same ones I used in my last video. They're like my favorite ones, you know, that you can get. We have some nail striping tape, 5 different colors. We have this little pencil that picks up the rhinestones, a spatula, and a nail brush. Sorry, I said that wrong, but we get a brush, and then we also get some tweezers. So here are the polygels and everything else. We get 3 polygels. They are 30 ml. Yes, I know, it's only 3 of them. I wish there were like at least 2 more colors, but it's all good. So we get a cuticle oil, slip solution in a bottle, which if you guys watch my channel, you absolutely know I love slip in a bottle, so I'm so happy they put that in. We get extend gel, which this was my first time using extend gel in this video, and I have to just say I am a fan. We get a top coat, a base coat, and then I'm going to show you some swatches of the polygels. We get a white, we get a cover pink, and a clear. So like I said earlier, perfect for beginners. If you're just starting polygel, or if you're just starting the Lazygirl method, these are going to be perfect. You can do literally so many designs, and XSC polygel is really, really good. Their formula is amazing. So I'm doing a quick little nail prep. I was popping off my last Valentine's nails you guys saw, the pink ones. It was so weird. Like, the actual full cover nail came off, but the polygel stuck on my finger, which never happened before. So I got the polygel off, and now I'm just sizing all of my tips. One thing I will say about these tips is not one of them, like, they were either a little bit too big or a little bit too small. So I went with the bigger size, and then you're going to see me customize it to fit my cuticle, my nail bed. And that's just like really important to do, because they'll look like press-on nails if you literally don't like shape them to your nail. That's probably the only like tedious part doing with the Lazygirl method, is this part right here, just making sure that they're snug, they fit nice, it literally lines up perfectly with your cuticle. So go ahead and file that and just make sure that it looks so cute. It's going to help you with like filing at the end too, and it's going to help you with them not popping off. Like if they're like kind of fitting on your cuticle a little bit, they'll pop right off. So you can see here, super snug, perfect little fit. Before I apply them, I'm going on with my peel off base coat. If you do a lot of nails like me, I definitely recommend getting a peel off base coat. So I'm trying out this Extend Gel for the first time, and I love it. I'm going to be using this all the time. It's like awesome for an A-press dupe. Two of my nails, my thumb and my pinky, I did the A-press dupe method, which means I cured the full cover nail to my finger, and then I went on top of it with the decoration that I'm going to do. This Extend Gel is like thick, so I liked it. And another reason is because when I put it on my nail, it didn't like slide around or pop up. Like it was really thick and it just like stayed where it was supposed to be. So now I'm going to be doing a Lazygirl method nail, aka Femi Beauty method nail, and I'm just going to go in with this pink polygel, and then I'm going to be taking the slip solution in a bottle, just like brushing it on top of the polygel. This is in place of using like isopropyl alcohol or whatever. Like you can just use alcohol, or you can use this slip in a bottle or like regular slip solution, whatever. But it just helps the polygel maneuver around. If you don't use a slip solution when doing this, the polygel is going to get so sticky, you're going to get frustrated and wonder what the heck's going on. It's because you need slip solution. As you guys know, in all my Lazygirl method videos, I always say less is more. Start out with like a little bit of polygel and then just keep adding more in if you need it, but you don't want to like have it be too bulky or be like squishing out around on your nail when you go to apply it. So I do 2 nails with this pink, and because I filed the cuticle before I put it on, it just like fit perfectly. I just barely cleaned it up with my brush, and then I'm gonna cure it in the lamp. I do just like a little flash cure really quick, and then I go put it in the big lamp when I'm done. By the way, if you guys hear my little 4-year-old in the background going crazy, trying to get my attention, that is her. It's super hard for me to like literally step away for 15 minutes to do a voiceover because she wants to play all day long. She wants to know what I'm doing. Like if I'm not in her sight, she literally needs to know what I'm doing. Like it's so cute. We'll be watching TV or like watching a movie, and like every 2 minutes she'll be like, "Mom." I'm like, "Yes, Cyan." She's like, "I love you." I'm like, "I love you too." Like she just is so into my business, and she's the only child, so I get it. It's just, yeah, you guys know how it is if you're moms. Anyway, I'm just patting out all of the polygel. There's like really not much to explain here, just kind of patting the polygel away. Have you guys, those of you that celebrate Valentine's, do you guys have any plans? Do you guys usually buy your man a Valentine's Day present, or is it just kind of one of those things where like he just buys you a present? You know what I mean? Like I know some couples go all out for both, but then I feel like it's kind of like, I don't know, tell me if you guys disagree, but is it like a couple's holiday, or is it kind of just like a girlfriend holiday? So now I'm going to be doing my favorite nail out of this set, and I'm going to be encapsulating. So when you encapsulate Lazygirl methods, you obviously do it the backwards way versus the traditional way. So you're going to put your decorations in first, and to apply these little cute hearts that I have, I think I got them in Amazon or like in another polygel kit, but I'll find some like, you know, like it and link it below for you guys. So I just finished my entire voiceover for this video, but I had to come back and add this part in really quick. So at the beginning, I mentioned that I like plastic full cover nails versus soft gel full cover nails for the Lazygirl method, because when you have soft gel nails and you flash cure it, because they are gel, they actually shrink on you. Like if you go fit them to your nail and they fit good, and then you do a flash cure, they literally aren't the same size anymore. So the plastic ones didn't shrink at all. They stayed the exact same size, whatever. And yeah, so I like the plastic ones. And as you just saw right there, I took some base coat and I drenched the bigger ones in base coat. Otherwise they're gonna get like little holes, and you can see these weird little holes all over the place. So drench it in base coat, and then I flash cured this, which I'm sad to say that flash curing with this base coat was a bad idea because it left like weird little wrinkles in it and I had to kind of fix it. So yeah, I've never had that problem before with flash curing. Like I've had that problem with flash curing with gel polish. Like if you just flash cure it, some gel polishes will get like wrinkled up, and the base coat did that to me. And I was like, what the heck? Especially on a clear nail, it was like so obvious. So I had to go in and fix that, which thankfully I was able to. But after I got all the nails applied, I'm just doing a quick little filing session. And I'm taking my favorite cuticle bit. You guys see me use it all the time. I'm just sealing up my cuticle area. Even though I filed them to my cuticle, it still needed like just a baby. I just like had to do this for literally for like 30 seconds on each nail. It wasn't a big deal. But I go around the cuticles and I just seal them up. And when you do this, it looks like you got your nails done like the traditional way. It doesn't look like press-on nails. So if you have cuticle bits, or even if you don't, you can use a file. I just want to show you guys how you would do that here. Just be careful and don't like actually cut yourself, you know what I mean? So I filed and buffed and they're looking so cute. I absolutely love it. I'm going to be using my Macar Queens, I think it's called Queensland, the Queensland Decor Kit by Macar. And I'm picking this red glitter, and I'm going to be doing some glitter nails. Literally like my first time doing glitter nails, I'm pretty sure. I'm like behind the game, you guys. And I have a bunch of Nail Addict LA gel polishes. They're my favorite gel polish, and this one in particular is called Cherry Soda. So I'm painting my thumb and my pinky cherry soda. I end up doing 2 coats of it. It's all it needed. It's pretty dang pigmented, as you guys can see. Like I was really happy with the color payoff. So I'm doing 2 coats of that, and then I'm gonna go in like, okay, tell me, so those of you that do glitter nails, after I did this, I went and cured it, and then I went in with a matte top coat, and then I put my glitter on top of that. Would I have been okay just to put it on top of the gel polish, like without the top coat, and would it have stuck? Let me know in the comments. But as you can see here, I'm using my Blissful Cream matte top coat. I'm just putting this all over my thumbnail, my pinky nail, and then I'm going to go in with that Macar glitter and just go to town. I'm like an OCD person when it comes to cleanliness, and I want everything all the time in my house to like look perfect. Like I'm one of those moms that is constantly cleaning up the same thing over and over and over, because I just like my daughter's room and my kitchen and my live, like I like everything to look a certain way, and it stresses me out when it doesn't. And so doing this glitter like totally got my OCD nerves like, oh my gosh, you guys, I just like was so annoyed that the glitter was like spilling. I should have put a paper towel down under. Like I don't know why I didn't, but look how beautiful this nail looks. Like I was so happy with how the glitter nails came out. I wasn't sure at first because the glitter was like a little bit chunky, but it ended up being so cute. And for those of you wondering, I slept with these on and it didn't make a mess. Like the glitter didn't fall off and it didn't go like all over my bed and my clothes and stuff. So I'm pretty sure that matte top coat like really got everything stuck in there. But now I am doing my my rhinestones. And as you can see in that little corner, I always, like lately, I've been setting out my charms or my rhinestones before I do my actual nail, because I will take like a half hour on one nail to decide what I want to do. So laying them out ahead of time really saved me like so much time. And I suggest you doing that, like kind of just lay it out on your table, get a look that you like, and then it will be so fast when you go to apply your nails. So I chose to do matte with all of these nails. I put the matte top coat on. I'm really happy that I did that. And then on my pointer finger, off camera, I just applied like a couple little red rhinestones and then a couple little heart stickers. These stickers also came in the Macar Decor Kit. So yeah, but let me know what you guys think of these nails. These are my Valentine's Day nails, round number 2. The first set I did was like a pink set, and then this set I wanted to focus more on the red. But I'm so proud of myself. These nails took me all day because I just couldn't figure out what I wanted to do. Like, I filmed the intro, came back, did the unboxing, came back, did the color, came back, did the rhinestones. Like, I was just all over the place. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I know I talk a lot, talk the whole time, but I hope that those of you that watched till the end, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye!